If I had to learn Forex trading from scratch in 2024, this is exactly how I would do it. The first thing I would do is I'd educate myself. I'd learn about small basic concepts such as buying and selling currency pairs. The next thing I'd learn about is which type of currency pairs there are, because there are hundreds of different ones. You need to learn about which ones are the fastest, which ones move the slowest, and which ones have the most volume. There are different pairs that have more volume and move faster than other pairs which are slower, and I learn about exactly how they move. The next thing I'd learn about is what is a pip. One concept that is pretty important that you do need to learn for basics. The next thing I'd learn about is bullish and bearish meaning. These two terms are brought up all the time in trading, and you need to know what bullish means and what bearish means, because people always speak about the market being bullish and people always speak about the market being bearish, and you just need to know what they mean. The next thing I'd learn about is what is the best session for you to trade, or for me to trade. For me personally, it is New York session. It just has the most volume, it is the fastest, and it works perfectly for me in different time zones. So New York session works best for me, but you need to do your research on which session would work best for you. The next three things I'm going to tell you is just a little bit more advanced, but these are super important concepts that you need to learn. First is risk management. If you cannot risk your account properly and manage it, you will never succeed in trading. The next thing you need to learn is market structure. And the third thing is trends. These are three super important things you need to learn for pretty much basics of trading. The next thing I do is to find a platform to look at the charts. There are many different types of platforms that you could use, but I would recommend MetaTrader and TradingView. MetaTrader you would use to actually buy and sell the currency, and TradingView you would use to analyze the charts. TradingView is just a more clean, and there are a lot more tools you can use to analyze your charts. Both of these platforms are free, and I will put the links to them in the description. I'm going to quickly show you guys what TradingView and what MetaTrader looks like once you first open it. So this is once you've gone into a pair, but I'm going to quickly go to home. So once you open up TradingView on your tab right there, I have it open, you're going to be met with a screen pretty much like this. All you're going to do is go onto search, you're going to go to Forex, and this is all the pairs you're going to look at and the ones you could trade. The ones that I have with a red thing here, these are my main pairs that I look at, and I don't look at any other pairs. These are just ones I've done my research on and which actually work within my strategy. So this is just something you're going to have to look at but for yourself. But this is just what TradingView looks at like when you first open it. Obviously, you're not going to have these orange and white candles. Yours are going to be red and green, and you're not going to have it's not going to look exactly like mine, but it's going to look pretty similar. And then you can add the pairs which you want to your watch list here, and these are just this is an indice, but these three are the three pairs that I only look at when I'm trading every single day. So it's AUD USD, which is Australian dollar USD, and then it's a British pound and Japanese yen, and then it's last one is GBP USD, which is the British pound and the US dollar. So that is just what TradingView looks like, and I'm going to quickly hop onto MetaTrader for you guys. This is what your MetaTrader is going to look like, something similar to this. Obviously, you're going to have a different type of chart. If you want to change it to look like mine, you go right here, you right click and go to properties, and then you can choose what you guys want. But I'd recommend watching a YouTube video, and then you also need to link your broker, which is also relatively simple. You just click on file and then go to log into trade account. Pretty simple, but this is what MetaTrader looks like and what TradingView looks like, and he has the buy and sell buttons right here. Opening a brokerage account. There are unregulated and regulated brokers. You need to do your research on both and understand which broker you are going to trade with. I personally trade with Fusion Markets. for a number of reasons, but you need to do your own research and understand why and which broker you are going to use. There are many other different types of brokers that you could use that are also great. Make sure you find a trusted broker, because you are going to be depositing your hard-earned money to trade with, and you need to know if they are trusted and if they're going to actually give you your money back once you deposit your money in there. So you need to find a reliable broker to actually trade on. The next thing I'd suggest is to open up a demo account first before getting into a live account, because you want to trade demo just to get the basic understanding of how the charts actually look, and you don't want to be using your actual money on a live account until you are experienced enough, because if you just deposit live money right away, you are guaranteed going to lose it, and you kind of want to avoid that. So you do want to get the basics, you want to get your strategy in place, and you just want to be confident with trading on a demo first, then move on to a live account, but don't stay on demo for too long. Once you've done all the steps that I've told you to do before and confident in your understanding about Forex trading, I would ask myself, would I want to swing trade or be a scalper? And I'm going to explain what both of those terms are now. Swing trading is holding your trades for multiple days. So holding your trades for, you enter a trade today and maybe the take profit only gets hit on like Wednesday next week. That is swing trading, holding your trades for multiple days. Scalping is being in and out the market quickly. So being in a trade for like 5 minutes, for example, maybe being in the trade for like 20 minutes. On average, my trades last between 15 and 20 minutes is how long usually my trades take to get hit by stop loss or take profit. And that is just what scalping, this is just what I prefer. And in my opinion, I'd say scalping is way better, but that is just a choice and something you need to look into for yourself, because some people I know don't like scalping, they literally hate it and they'd prefer to swing trade. So this is one thing you do need to just ask yourself, look at the pros and cons and figure it out for yourself. If you did like the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like the video, and make sure you guys join up my free Discord. Link is also in the description. If you want to learn new and just more stuff about trading, you can join up there. There's a lot of people who would help you there, and I'd also help personally. So make sure you guys join up that. It is completely free, and make sure you just keep on learning, keep on grinding each and every day to understand what Forex trading is and how to actually trade Forex. And that's just pretty much all it from me, and make sure you guys just keep grinding, keep getting to the next level, and I'll see you guys in the next video.